Hi, Russ Gaspard here for cross-platform mobile development, and it's week 3. So here's my updated app, and if I want to go ahead and log in, then it brings up my previous data on parse, and I did maintain that I can just click on the list cell and it does update back at parse. I did put some data validation in, so if I try to leave it blank, it shoots you a text message. If I try to put just empty spaces, it'll give you an error message there as well. And I did make a character limit of only 20 characters. So if you try to make it too long, then it won't let you do that either. We'll cancel out of that. But let's just add a new item that says new. And it updates it there. And if we want to take a look at the back end on parse, I can update, and there's my new. Instead of a long click deleting, in fact, now if I long click, it brings up my little update screen. I can change the Boolean value on the update screen and hit enter and change it that way instead of just clicking on the cell. Or I can actually edit the text here, and it will update the text. And again, we can see that that is updating here on the back end as well. I do have on my update all the same data validation, so if I try to enter something more than 20 characters, it will disallow that. I do also have the delete function enabled now through this same menu, so if I want to just go ahead and hit delete here, it will remove the new item from the screen. For some reason, it takes a little extra second for parse to catch up with the deletes, but it does pull it out, no problem. If I want to go into airplane mode here, you can see that I am checking for connectivity. So if I try to add a new item now, it says network unavailable. It won't even let me change the Boolean status on a cell. It won't let me long click. Well, I guess it will let me long click, but I can't actually make any changes while that's happening. When I go to log out, it does log me out. Well, it can't really log me out back at the server. In fact, if I go to log back in, it can't validate me through the server. So my network checking is functional. Oh, also, one more thing. Let's get out of airplane mode here. I am doing the data polling. So if I want to turn my network back on and log back in, I can bring up my items here. So let's say I haven't eaten dinner yet. We'll go ahead and change the data from the parse server. So eat dinner, I want to change that from false to true. And then we wait for the app to catch up, and there it goes. So it is polling both the text and the Boolean values. So I can come in here and say eat lunch and save that and wait for it to catch up on the app, and there it goes. So that's my week 3 project. I believe it does everything it's supposed to do. I learned a lot once again, and having a lot of fun in the course. Look forward to moving on with the iOS version and moving on with the program. Thank you.